Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Turtles. In this video, we will going to learn basics of machine learning. So let's get started. At first, we will talk about what is machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science which focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. Now we will move further. Second topic is types of machine learning. There are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. The first is unsupervised learning. The algorithm is trained on labeled data where each input has a corresponding output. It's like having a teacher guiding the algorithm to learn from correct examples. Second is unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, there are no labeled outputs. The algorithms identify patterns and relationships within the data on its own, like discovering hidden structures without any supervision. Third one is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is like training a model to interact with an environment. The algorithm learns by receiving feedback in the form of rewards and penalties for each action it takes. We are moving to the last topic of this tutorial, that is real world applications of machine learning. First one is image and speech recognition. Machine learning algorithms can identify objects in images and transcribe speech into text, enabling innovative applications like self-driving cars and virtual assistants. In healthcare, machine learning helps in disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and predicting patient outcomes. Third one is recommender systems. You know those recommended for you sections on online platform. They are powered by machine learning algorithms that analyze your preferences and suggest relevant content or products. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe Tech Turtles for more content like this.